a clean name.
Okay, let me in fact also take that across to Sanjay Sahay now. Sanjay Sahay, come in here on this decision today by the Bombay High Court. What do you make of this acquittal? What do you attribute this to?
Yeah, I think Sanjay has given graphic details as to how the trial would have been conducted, primarily on the evidence which was used in the Makoka court. So that is the basic evidence, and that is the evidence which will remain even when we go for appeal to the Supreme Court of India. What is really intriguing for me is that while the investigation was on, there were a large number of legal counsels who have had the investigation, and to my best of my understanding, good prosecutors were also there throughout the whole exercise. It has been a voluminous thing. There might be some discrepancies. I'm nobody to deny or support that nothing was there. But based on that particular evidence, the Makoka court gave a judgment out of 13, 12. 12 were sentenced, 5 for death sentence, and another 7 for life imprisonment. And most of the times I'm intrigued with the fact based on the same evidence and the same jurisprudence, same procedure, same evidence evaluation. One court gives a totally different judgment compared to the other court. Now, here we have reached the High Court with all what has been talked about this case. I think there were certainly things which were in favor of the prosecution till the last judgment was pronounced. After that, I think 9 years have passed and this judgment has come in. The evaluation, to best of my understanding, would have been on all cardinal principles of law. But I see that there is an opening when they go to Supreme Court of India. And as Mr. Sanjay Sahay was saying, that in such voluminous sort of evidence and all that, Supreme Court also takes a line wherein they take their own time and then the case is decided. What is important is that as it reaches the Supreme Court, let it be decided in time. See, what is most important, the case of this nature, where 189 people got killed and 824 got injured, and there's a huge amount of conspiracy, and it is basically a terrorist act. If we are taking 19 years to decide and reach the High Court level, I think the pace of justice is literally injustice both for the prosecuting agency, it is for the accused, and it is for the country at large. And people will start believing that actually justice, the ends of justice will never be met. So I'm hopeful that this case will sail through in the Supreme Court. That is broadly what I can say at this particular point in time.
Okay, let me in fact also draw in N.K. Sood. N.K. Sood